Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. Big up, big down, big confusion. Pin bars everywhere. There's a bullish pin bar, and then followed up with a bearish pin bar. This is still ranging. Look left. That is a messy range, but it is a range nevertheless. We do have a crossover the faster moving averages here, but we haven't got above the 150 EMA at the moment, so from an 8-hour perspective we are in amongst moving averages flat. We are ranging. Oscillators are grouping to the down, well, not grouping to the downside, but they have separated and pointing, so if they start swinging there would be an opportunity. There is a lot of data coming out today still, so I think we are still confused. We're not entirely convinced of what's happening. This is the first bit of data that happened yesterday, which should negatively impact the dollar, which is what it did, because it indicates that rate cuts could be sooner than expected, or sooner than what we've been told. So there's a lot of gambling going on with that. I don't see any structure inside this range, and the indexes look exactly the same as this. So yeah, big down, big up, big down. I am not even bothering with this, so could very well be a setup here. It's kind of almost middle of range, so that would be at 108.261. So there could very well be an opportunity to short there. It's a 330 point stop loss. Don't really like that, and I don't really like that setup with quite a bit of data coming out. So there's Eurozone data and US data coming out today. So just picture it. Good Euro data drives it up. Bad US data drives it down. So big up, big down could still continue. So I don't really see an opportunity at the moment. And I mean, even yesterday it would have been very difficult to try and jump in on this. There's no pullback to structure. There was nothing. In amongst moving averages, above, below, absolutely nothing. But I suppose this is the most logical spot. Pay attention to it. Don't like the way the moving averages are here on the 50-minute either. So I am a long weekend player today. I think after this video we will close the charts, and we'll look at this again on Monday morning. So I'd advise you to do the same, to be honest. Don't try and second guess this. You're just going to get burnt. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you on Monday morning. Cheers for now.